48th competitive test. There was a great demand from the state to include this project in the 5-year plan. Full stop. A couple of years ago, there was a conference presided over by my colleague from the district, the present revenue minister of a state. Full stop. He had presided over it, and there was a unanimous demand, supported by practically the entire people from state, that this project should be included in the 5-year plan. Full stop. I take this opportunity to congratulate the government of India and the government of the state for having seen to it that this project in the state is included in the 5-year plan. Full stop. New paragraph. The assuming of risks, the shouldering of responsibility for bearing losses that may arise, is incident to all business, and it is inevitable. Full stop. However far one pushes the invaluable practice of insurance, this will not avail entirely, and something must needs be left to chance, nor, on the whole, would it be good for man if chance were altogether eliminated from life and separated from business. Full stop. Uncertainty adds considerable piquancy to a drab existence, though, of course, nobody desires convulsive or violent changes for the sake of variety. Full stop. Though we are, taking us all around, a very cautious race, there are never wanting among us those willing to take the chances inseparable from business. Full stop. New paragraph. The president's address makes reference the improvement of our transport and communications. Full stop. Our increased production leads to be question of better transport facilities. Full stop. The agricultural production is on the increase, but, sir, if there is no betterment of our transport facilities, this increased production in agriculture will not benefit the agriculturist. Full stop. In my part of the country, even now this situation prevails. Full stop. The production there is on the increase, but the agriculturists are suffering on account of inadequate facilities of railway transport. Full stop. I was glad to find from the president's address that the railways are thinking of opening even new lines very soon. Full stop.